Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Swirl account and how to configure your Scratch site. Alright, so once you log into your dashboard, you see this interface, the Scratch site, publish short videos, total active Scratch card, okay, and you can click here to go to the tutorial page to watch the full tutorials. Alright, so this is for the quick navigation. And right here you see your recently created Scratch site. Alright, now to get started, the first thing you have to do is to click on Scratch site and you click on new to create your Scratch site. So right here, input your Scratch site name here. So you can name it anything you want. So it's Max, upload your logo and you select the niche right here. Swirl comes with more than 180 different niches, so you can select any niche that you want right here. Weight loss, fitness, anything. So weight loss, you click on next, and right here you click on keywords and search for any keywords so you can get the short videos in that particular niche. So for weight loss now, I'm going to enter weight loss right here so I can get short videos under weight loss niche. Search. Awesome. So as you can see, we have hot trending videos right here. So this is the thumbnail, the title, the views, the likes, and the comment. And we have a lot of these short videos that we can select and instantly add to our Scratch site. And the good thing is that these are hot trending videos. These are viral videos with millions of views. This is over 177 million views and about 724,000 likes with huge comments. You can see the views are huge. These are millions of views. So these are trending videos that you can easily get and monetize with the Scratch site. So you select the videos that you want. You have a lot of videos, so select the short videos you want to add to your campaign. And once you are done, you click on publish to publish your Scratch site campaign. Now, as you can see, the site has been created successfully, and now you can go to manage Scratch site to view your site. So this is it right here. So all your sites will show up for you right here, and you can click here to edit and also delete the site right here. So now that you've set up your Scratch site, the next thing is to click here to monetize the site and start getting paid using scratch off cards on Video Scratch, banner ads, button ad, and others. And I'm going to show you how to set up your scratch off cards right now. So you click here to set up your scratch off cards. All right, and then the first thing you have to do is to select the campaign. All your campaigns will show up right here. So then you select the template. We have a lot of templates depending on the plan you purchase. So you see different templates right here. So you can select the one that you want. See, these are beautiful templates. So I'm going to select template 2. Okay, and right here you input your background text. All right, awesome. So you can select the font right here. Then you can change the color. You can change the fonts. You can also bold it. So this background text could be anything. It depends on what you want to promote and the kind of information you want to give to your customers. So you can use this background text to give coupon or discount or points to your customers. so that it is after they've scratched the card that they can see the information beneath. Okay, and you can also use this for scarcity. Here you impute the overlay test like this. Now the overlay test should be something engaging, just a simple line that will force people to take action, like this: scratch here and win $100 today. I'm sure you've seen this kind of test before. This is a lovely test and it's highly engaging. So use this kind of test so that people can scratch the card and see the information beneath. Right. And right here you specify the style, the font, the color here, okay, the background color, and the font size. You can customize based on how you want this. Awesome. Then right here you select the position, the top or the bottom, where you want this scratch card to appear. Is it on the bottom of the site or at the top of the site? Okay, and the last thing you have to do is to put your link right here. This link could be your affiliate link or your product link. So you could use this system to make money on a daily basis. You could use this to sell more products. It could be e-com products, digital products, ebooks, or even affiliate offer. So just put the website link right here. And if you don't have any offer, just go to JVZoo or Warrior Plus to get affiliate products. So click here for JVZoo and here for Warrior Plus and copy the link. So this is for JVZoo. You'll be asked to register your account or to log in. And once you log in or you create your account, you'll be taken to this page. And right here, you see all the top offers, the top selling products for today, for yesterday, for the past 30 days. And you can get the affiliate link for the product. So to get the affiliate link, you click on this affiliate information. And right here, you scroll down and tick this and click on request approval, and your request will be approved. So once it's approved, you get your affiliate link. All right. And for Warrior Plus, this is for Warrior Plus. If you click here, this is for Warrior Plus. Okay. And you also see all the top selling offers. You see different offers right here. You see the number of sales, the conversion rates, and others. And to get the link, all you have to do is to click on request, then click on request approval and request the offer. So your request will be approved and you get your affiliate link. So the affiliate link is going to be something like this, and you can easily copy it and use in your campaign. Okay, so once you are done with the whole setup like this, which is very simple, you click on submit. Now you can see the scratch card has been added successfully. So we've successfully added this scratch card to our site, which I'm going to show you very soon. And you can create as many scratch off cards as possible depending on your plan. All right. So if you want to use something like this, it's very simple. The background is there already. Just input the overlay text like this. So you could use this kind of template to sell your products, your weight loss products. So and you style it and you select the position and input the link like I explained earlier. And you click on submit once you are done. Now the scratch card has been added successfully. Awesome. Now another thing is that Swirl allows you to add on video scratch card. You could add scratch card directly on the video, and it's also very simple. You follow the same procedure. you select the campaign, you select the template, you input the background text here like this. So, and you style it up. And right here, you input the overlay text like this, scratch and end. And you also change the style. So right here, you select the position and you put in the link right here, your affiliate link or your product link. Like I said earlier, you can get it from JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and you click on submit. Awesome. Now the scratch card has been added to the short videos. Okay, that has been added to the short videos. And before I show you the live preview, you could also add banner ads to your scratch site. Following the same procedure, you select the campaign, the position, and you upload your banner right here and the URL. And you could also add button ads to your scratch site. Add pop-up button ads to your short videos. The button ads will show directly on the short videos, and you follow the same procedure. You select the site, the position, the templates. It comes with different call to action, different templates. All right, so you select the duration, the start, the middle, the end, and you put in the URL right here and you click on submit. And you could also add Google video ads to your scratch site. It all depends on you. So we have 5 different ways to monetize your scratch site and start getting paid: the scratch of cards, the on video scratch, the banner ads, the button ad, and the Google video ads. Okay, now let's check our scratch site and see how it looks. So you click here. Awesome. This is the scratch site that we just created, and as you can see, it's really looking beautiful. The videos are preloaded already. All the weight loss videos that we added, they are showing up right here. You can see, and these are hot trending videos with huge views, with millions of views. And this is the logo that we added, and this is the scratch card that we created. Now the beauty of this is that once your visitors comes to your site, they will see banners like this, and this is motivating. So they want to scratch here to win the $100 that you are giving them today. And remember, this could be the discount on your product, or it could be a coupon code for them to get your product or any affiliate product. And because of this, now they'll scratch to see what you want to offer them. And this is highly engaging. This is interactive way to get people to take action. Now you can see, congrats, you just won $100. Click here and use this code VIP. So they'll click on it and they'll be taken to the offer page, and they can use this code. So this is an affiliate page right now, and your visitors will be able to use the coupon code that you've been given that is added on this page, and you will definitely make sales and get your own commission. Okay, we also have a scratch card banners at the bottom of the page, and it says scratch here and lose weight in 3 weeks. So now your visitors will be eager to scratch this and see what you want to offer them. Okay, now you can see it says the 3 weeks diet, lose up to 21 pounds in just 21 days, starts now. You can see this is really amazing. This is a way to get your visitors to take action. So when they click on start now, they'll be taken to the offer page where they will see the full information about the program, and they can get it, and you make your commission and make money. All right. Also, if your visitors watch any of the videos on your page, the scratch card will also pop up. For instance, if they watch this kind of videos right on your page, the card will pop up like this, and they can scratch it and click on it, and they'll be taken to the offer page. Right, so they'll be taken to the offer page where you are selling the product, or to the affiliate page like this, and you earn commission. Okay, as you can see, Swirl is a powerful software that allows you to make money in an interactive way. Alright, so if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the support desk. So you can always click here to contact the support desk. And if you want to upgrade your account, you can click here, or you click here to upgrade your account. So you can watch the remaining tutorial videos by clicking right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.